Two big ways to benefit on Instagram. How to make money on Instagram is a subject that everyone is interested in. We're all on it all day anyway, most of the time wasting money rather than earning it. Instagram's constant feed of beautiful images has grown over the years into a cross between a glossy magazine, your best friend's taste, and a boutique store. Instagram is the site of aspiration, motivation, and now in-app checkout. With over 1 billion monthly users, 71% of whom are under 35. There are two big ways to benefit on Instagram. Number one, sponsored posts. When you hear the term Instagram influencer, you might immediately think of sponsored posts. As of early 2019, Instagram has over 500,000 active influencers. A decent to impressive follower count and a competitive engagement rate are the minimum requirements. In other words, if you're good at having strangers on the internet like and trust you, this technique is for you. This technique appeals because it includes selling without the hassles of e-commerce. You don't have to develop a product or fulfill orders. In an ideal world, being yourself and blogging about the goods, services, or brands that make your life what it is will suffice. Also, there are a plethora of scammers out there who prey on potential influencers. Even if you are successful with supported content, you will most likely need to consider the balance between your reputation and your income. After all, it's your personal brand on the line. And people value sincerity. Any brand that wants to work with you will have to pass a comprehensive "does this suit my brand" test. As an Instagram influencer, here's how to get started. Step 1, pick a niche. If you really want to make money on Instagram, you must live and breathe your personal brand. Make certain you genuinely enjoy it. Also, think about how your future partners may see things. Your audience will be compared to their target market by brands. According to a recent survey, 55% of marketers favor micro-influencers because they believe they have a more genuine bond with their target audience. That is to say, the more precise you can be, the better. Instead of using the term vegan, try sober vegan ultramarathon runner dad who interviews famous people on his podcast. Or don't. That one's already taken. Step 2, build reputation and broaden your audience. 81% of Instagram influencers have a following of between 15,000 and 100,000 people. Don't worry if you haven't arrived yet. There are no easy solutions for increasing the follower count, but there are some tried and true methods. Make a promise to posting on a regular basis. Also, make a commitment to sharing content that is tailored to your target audience. For example, at Pedalboard of the Day, as the name suggests, posts a pedalboard every day for his 102,000 followers. Step 3, partner with brands. There are two key paths to forming a partnership with a brand. Pitch them directly to find them. Make contact with the brands you respect and let them know what you have to give. Your brand pitch should provide a lot of information about your target demographic and strategy. Sign up with an influencer marketing website to help them find you. There are many marketplaces like this. It's a good idea to start with Aspire IQ, Upfluence, and FameBit. Brands, on the other hand, are keen to find effective influencers. Step 4, post in a straightforward manner. If you're an influencer in the United States or the United Kingdom, you have a legal duty to report while you're publishing and advertising. Your disclosure must be obvious and simple to understand, according to the American Federal Trade Commission's guidelines. Meanwhile, the Advertising Standards Authority in the United Kingdom isn't fond of ambiguous allusions. Use the hashtag #ad instead of #gifted. Using the #ad hashtag above the fold, i.e. in the first 3 lines so people don't have to swipe around to find it, to remain on the right side of the law. Even better, use Instagram's paid collaboration tag, which was launched in October 2017. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Unlike supported content, this approach focuses on growing revenue rather than spreading awareness. This is due to the fact that you only make money when your followers purchase the product. On the plus side, you won't have to think about making the commodity or fulfilling orders as an affiliate marketer. The drawback is that if you want to expand without annoying your audience, you'll need a solid plan. In addition, the word affiliate marketing has a poor rep. It's been linked to deceptive guarantees of seven-figure monthly incomes and yachts. Affiliate marketing is a wise and well-established marketing strategy when approached ethically. You recommend your favorite pens, mascara, or dog food and either have a connection to purchase the item or a coupon code for a small discount. The merchant will track sales back to your efforts because both the connection and the promo code are exclusive to you. Any sale earns you a fee or a percentage. Meanwhile, with the introduction of product tags and Instagram checkout, advertisers are no longer restricted to using the phrase connection in bio. Affiliate marketers can see a rise in sales as consumers find it easier to shop on Instagram. Step 1. Pick a niche. The niche of an affiliate marketer varies from that of a funded influencer, in that it may be more product-focused. Affiliate marketers, for example, may begin their careers as product reviewers. If you're just getting started, you have the choice of approaching an audience with unique material requirements, such as dog owners looking for tips and discounts on the best dog food, as well as the finest dog collars, dog buckets, dog goggles, and so on. Step 2. Find merchants with whom you can associate. You can either directly affiliate with a brand or join an affiliate network, or you can do both. Each time, the answer is both. Affiliate networks act as a bridge between affiliate program managers and advertisers like you. They exist because while a solo entrepreneur selling online courses can be willing to widen their audience, a Fortune 500 corporation must scale and automate its efforts. Affiliate networks are designed to provide you with a large number of items from which to choose. You're also not restricted to a single network. The most obvious place to start is Amazon Associates. The only drawback is that they don't have codes. Instead, you must use the affiliate connection they have. Although that works well for Pinterest, blogs, and email updates, you must include the connection in your Instagram bio, or if you have a business account, your Instagram story. Affiliate networks. Step 3. Write a blog post about the product. Affiliate marketing, like influencer marketing, is subject to FTC and ASA legislation, so be honest about your relationship with the product. Fortunately, 54% of people claim they value openness when advertisers reveal their partnerships, and they aren't offended by the #ad hashtag. Similarly, using other social media sites will help you reach a wider audience. When it comes to notifying your followers about new content, email newsletters mean you're not at the mercy of the Instagram algorithm. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.